want to show you. What my daily struggles are like. Here's a sign that I have hanging. Mail carrier, please put all packages on the porch. Here's my mailbox. The sign is clearly under the mailbox. Here's the door. And look. 2 packages sitting at the bottom of the steps under the mailbox instead of walking up and opening the door. There's the mailbox. There's the sign. There's the packages sitting on the steps. And there's the door. These are the numbers that I got that I've been ordering off Temu. This is a sheet of numbers that I got at the Dollar Tree. I bought these before I realized that Temu had these. But I want to show you the project that I bought these numbers for. There will be more. So remember, I was taking everything and putting it into these cases. Here's what I'm doing. Here's a Temu number. Here's the numbers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Then I have one under here that has Dollar Tree numbers on it. And this one up here has Dollar Tree numbers. Now, eventually, there'll be 2 or 3 racks of them here. And there's also going to be a stack of them probably up as high as that chair over here. I might even put one underneath there. I'll have to measure and see if it fits. Well, this is what I'm doing for storage in here for my sewing supplies. And there's other stuff in there too. But I'm going to number each of the drawers like I have this here. 1, 2. I might even peel those Dollar Tree numbers off and replace them with Temu numbers. I don't know. But I put all the stuff inside there. You can see I've got thread in there, material in some of these. This one over here has got sewing supplies that I got from Temu. Here's scissors, my bobbins, stuff like that. So I put the numbers on each of these. And then I have a notebook like this that I'm writing the numbers in. Originally, I was going to put a piece of paper on the outside of these, like right in here. I was going to put, like right there, I was going to put a piece of paper and write on it what was in there. But then I got to thinking, if I put fabric in there and I use the fabric up, I'd have to scratch that out, take that piece of paper off and write it, rewrite it, if I put a different color fabric in there. Or like let's say I decided I wanted to change it around and I didn't want to keep the stuff in there. I'd have to take that paper off and make a whole new paper. But with this number system here, I write in the notebook on each page a number of a drawer and then what's inside of it. So if I decide to change it, all I got to do is take white out on the paper or scratch it out and change it in the notebook. And the numbers can stay right there. I won't even have to remove the numbers. I'll just leave them on there. I'll just change the contents inside of the notebook and that'll tell me what's in there. Now, I haven't got it labeled, but this right here is one of those 3 nightstands that I bought at a yard sale. And 2 of them are in the living room. I'm using them to hold my TV up. I'll show you that in a minute. But I've also got sewing supplies in here. See, I've got my embroidery hoops in there. Now, I haven't got these labeled. I may end up having to put some numbers on them too, you know, just to keep it straight. That's underneath the corner of my sewing machine. Have all my wigs up on top of this one. This is where the other two. Right here's one, and then another one over there. I may have already showed you this, but I bought those at a yard sale to make a TV stand to hold my TV. And originally I was going to put a board across there, and I changed my mind and decided just to set them on top of there. But I bought 3 of them because she gave me a discount if I took all 3 of them. And I knew that I was going to need at least 2 of them to hold the shelf up. I originally was painting them brown. I thought I had that one painted black. It was brown, I was painting them black. I thought I had that one painted. I brought it inside. After I brought it in, I realized I didn't paint it. So now I got a brown one and a black one. But I'm probably put some newspaper underneath it one of these days and repaint it. I don't know. But anyway, I got the discount to get 3 of them, so I went ahead and did that. And then the third one I used in the bedroom for my sewing stuff. So there's what the project is with the numbers. I am going to be buying some more numbers, but I think I'm going to hold off on them until I figure out exactly how many of those crates I'm going to put into the drawers. How many more of them drawer units that I'm going to have to buy to finish it up. So that's it. Thank you for coming and viewing the video. And y'all come back and see us any old time. Bye for this one.